Crush it online, your time is now. The digital age is here and it's brimming with opportunities for those ready to seize them. You want to make money online? Of course you do. Who wouldn't want to tap into the limitless potential of the internet? Everyone does. It's the future of business. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, connect, and create. It's a global marketplace where anyone can thrive. No more boring 9-to-5 grind. You call the shots. Imagine setting your own hours, working from the comfort of your home or even from a cozy cafe. The internet has opened up incredible opportunities, from e-commerce to freelancing, from digital marketing to content creation. The possibilities are endless. You can work from anywhere, anytime. Be your own boss. Control your destiny. Whether you're on a beach, in a bustling city, or in your living room, the world is your office. No matter your background or skills, there's a place for you online. Whether you're a writer, artist, marketer, or anything in between, the digital world welcomes you. You can monetize your passions, turn your hobbies into a source of income, share your knowledge, your creativity, your expertise with the world. This is your wake-up call. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Take the first step towards your online success. The online world is waiting. It's a vast, dynamic space filled with opportunities just waiting to be explored. Let's dive in and make it happen. Together we can turn your dreams into reality. The journey starts now. Are you ready? Freedom and flexibility, the online hustle advantage, the traditional job market, it's broken, commuting, office politics, limited growth. Who needs that stress? Working online gives you freedom. Set your own hours, work from home, a coffee shop, or a beach in Bali. It's your choice. Want more time with family? Need a flexible schedule? Online income makes it possible. You control your work-life balance. It's not just about the money, it's about living on your terms. That's the real power of the online hustle. Freelancing your skills you're worth. Got skills? Turn them into cash. Freelancing is a great way to start making money online. Writing, editing, graphic design, web development, social media management. These are just a few in-demand freelance skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Build your portfolio, deliver quality work, and watch your income grow. Remember, you set your rates. Don't undervalue your expertise. Charge what you're worth and attract the right clients. Blogging, sharing your passion with the world. Have a passion for something. Share it with the world through blogging. It's more than just writing. It's about building a community. Choose a niche you love: food, travel, fashion, technology, anything. Create valuable content that engages your audience. Monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products and services. Consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your readers, and watch your blog flourish. Section 5. E-commerce. Building your online empire, one sale at a time. E-commerce is booming. Everyone shops online these days. Why not sell your own products? Create an online store with platforms like Shopify or Etsy, source products, or create your own unique offerings. Market your products through social media, paid advertising, and email marketing. Provide excellent customer service and build a loyal following. The beauty of e-commerce? You can scale your business exponentially. Start small and grow at your own pace. Section 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you learn. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson. You promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. Find products you believe in and join their affiliate program. Share your unique affiliate links on your website, social media, or email list. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Focus on driving traffic and making sales. It's a win-win. You earn money and the product creator gets more exposure. Section 7. Online courses and coaching, sharing your expertise. In today's digital age, the opportunities to share your knowledge and skills with a global audience are endless. Are you an expert in your field? Whether you have years of experience or a unique skill set, there's always someone eager to learn from you. Share your knowledge and experience through online courses or coaching programs. These platforms allow you to reach a wide audience and make a significant impact on their lives. Create valuable content that helps people learn new skills or achieve their goals. Think about the problems you can solve and the insights you can provide. Use platforms like Teachable or Thinkific to host your courses. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and robust tools to help you design and deliver your content effectively. Market your courses through social media, webinars, and email marketing. Leverage these channels to reach your target audience and build a loyal following. Provide personalized support to your students and build a thriving online community. Engage with your learners, answer their questions, and offer feedback to help them succeed. Sharing your expertise is not only rewarding, but also lucrative. As you help others grow, you also create a sustainable income stream for yourself. Empower others while building a successful online business. Your knowledge has the power to transform lives, and in turn, you can achieve financial freedom and professional fulfillment. Section 8, Social Media Mastery, Turning Followers into Dollars. Social media is more than just scrolling and liking. It's a powerful tool for building your brand and generating income. Choose the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content that provides value and sparks conversations. Monetize your social media presence through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by driving traffic to your own products and services. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself, engage with your followers, and build genuine connections. Section 9, Practical Tips for Online Success. Hustle smarter, not harder. Ready to crush it online? Here are some practical tips to set you up for success. In today's digital age, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Let's dive into some strategies that can help you maximize your efforts and achieve your goals more efficiently. Find your niche. Focus on your passions and expertise. Identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and skills is crucial. It allows you to stand out in a crowded market and attract a dedicated audience. Spend time researching and understanding what makes your niche unique and how you can offer something different. Build your brand. Create a strong online presence that reflects your values. Your brand is your identity in the online world. Invest in a professional website, a memorable logo, and a consistent color scheme. Make sure your brand message is clear and resonates with your target audience. Engage with your audience through social media and build a community around your brand. Create high-quality content. Provide value to your audience and stand out from the crowd. Content is king in the digital world. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, ensure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant. High-quality content not only attracts visitors, but also keeps them coming back for more. Use tools and resources to enhance your content creation process and always aim for excellence. Market your hustle. Don't be afraid to promote yourself and your offerings. Effective marketing is essential for online success. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers and other businesses to expand your reach. Remember, self-promotion is not about bragging, it's about sharing the value you bring to the table. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building a loyal following and generating income. Develop a content calendar and stick to it. Regular updates keep your audience engaged and show that you are reliable. Consistency also helps in building trust and credibility. Whether it's posting on social media, updating your blog, or sending out newsletters, make sure you do it regularly. Embrace learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills and strategies. Invest in online courses, attend webinars, and read industry-related books. Continuous learning not only enhances your knowledge, but also keeps you competitive. Adapt to new trends and technologies to ensure your online hustle remains relevant and effective. Section 10, your success story starts now. Take action and make it happen. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the motivation. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your dreams. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your online hustle. Section 11, the future is online. Embrace the opportunity and thrive. The online world is full of opportunities. It's a level playing field where anyone with passion and determination can succeed. Embrace the digital revolution, develop your skills, build your brand, and create your own path to financial freedom. The future is online. Are you ready to claim your piece of the pie?